Are you looking for ways to unlock the secret to successful manifestation? Do you feel like your manifestations are not working out for you? If so, you are not alone. In this video, we will explore 7 reasons why manifestation may not be working for you. We will look at tips for successful outcomes, how to manifest your dreams with positive thinking, using detachment to achieve manifestation successfully. Manifesting desires aligning with the universe and taking action, creating a positive environment to achieve manifestation goals, and realizing your dreams. With these tips, you will be well on your way to unlocking the secret to successful manifestation. Before we dive into our video, we kindly ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you're new here. All right, folks, let's get started. Friends, manifesting what you want in life can feel daunting. You may ask yourself, does manifestation really work? The answer is yes, but it requires the right mindset and belief system. Manifestation unlocks the secret to successful outcomes by understanding how thoughts, feelings, and actions shape reality. Here are some tips for manifesting desires. Trust that timing is everything. Some things take time to align perfectly, so be patient. Align your mindset and beliefs with your conscious and subconscious desires. If not aligned, this can hinder manifestation goals unknowingly. Be mindful of the universe's power. Send positive intention and feel as if you already have what you desire. Take action when appropriate. Meditating may attract opportunities, but they won't magically appear. Intentional steps help align things. Don't discredit past failures. Mistakes are part of growth and learning. Avoid feelings of lack or scarcity. Pay attention to dreams and symbols for guidance. Practice gratitude consistently to support the flow of life force energy. Friends, many people wrestle with this concept and fail to unlock the secret to successful manifestation. However, it is possible to manifest your dreams and create an abundant life for yourself. You just need to know how. The primary reason manifestation fails is your mindset. If you don't believe it's possible to achieve what you desire, then it won't happen. It's crucial to remember that no matter how long something has eluded you, there are always steps you can take to bring it into your life. Release all limiting beliefs that obstruct positive thinking. Negative beliefs we develop in childhood can persist into adulthood and impede us from reaching our goals. Combat this by practicing positive affirmations or mantras daily, such as I am worthy of success, or I am capable of achieving my dreams. These words will break old patterns and open pathways to success. Don't fixate too tightly on a specific outcome. Sometimes, by intensely focusing on one thing, we overlook other potential opportunities that may be even better. To address this, energetically embody the person who already possesses what they desire, as advocated by Neville Goddard's technique called the law of assumption. Refrain from constant complaining, as it worsens situations instead of improving them. Instead, cultivate gratitude for what you already have and acknowledge every small step toward your goals as progress. Adopt a positive mindset, perseverance, and an abundance mentality, and you will realize that anything is possible. Despite using visualization and positive thinking, we can sometimes feel stuck in a pattern of lack or disappointment. Successful manifestation comes from understanding the concept of detachment. By detaching ourselves from the outcome, we can trust that things will happen in their own time and for our best interests. The law of attraction states that when we focus on something with intention, energy is set in motion, eventually manifesting itself. However, if we become too obsessed with how and when something might happen, it can prevent us from recognizing opportunities or lead to impatience and giving up before manifestation occurs. Having a mindset focused on lack rather than growth blocks potential success. Instead, appreciate what you have while believing that more abundance is possible. This optimism allows for creativity and helps us move away from feeling blocked or stuck in patterns associated with scarcity. To approach manifestation successfully, shift attention away from asking why it's not working. Instead, view it as already completed. Believing in its potential success without doubt allows the universe to work out the details as you continue forward with faith, not fear. Neville Goddard once said, "You must assume your wish fulfilled until events prove otherwise." Take his advice and give yourself permission to detach from immediate results, opening yourself up fully to manifesting your deepest desires. Friends, manifestation is not possible without taking action. In other words, you need to sit down and think about what you want, but also look for opportunities or create them yourself to achieve your goals. Aligning yourself with the universe is also key. Match your effort with its energy. Your environment plays an important role in the manifestation process as well. Take some time before beginning any process of manifesting your desires to organize and declutter as much as possible. Clutter can be a hindrance when trying to focus on achieving something specific. Make sure that everything around you has a place where it belongs so that there are no distractions while trying to stay focused on your goal. The secret formula for successful manifestation is visualization combined with feeling as if you already have what you want, plus taking affirmative action towards achieving this goal. Once all three steps are taken, success will follow shortly after. Visualize every day what it would feel like once this desire has been achieved. How would life look like? What kind of people would surround us? How happy would we feel? Then start acting accordingly. Show gratitude for all the things we currently have in life and take small steps towards our big dream. These small steps will eventually lead us there if done correctly. Perseverance and positivity will open up an abundance of possibilities. Believe in yourself and never give up. When it comes to manifesting our dreams or goals, the most important step is recognizing the impact of our surroundings on productivity and success when pursuing manifestations. Being around negative people can have a detrimental effect on our mindset, which can lead to self-doubt, fear of failure, or disappointment. These negative feelings can prevent us from achieving our desired outcomes. It's important, therefore, that we proactively seek out positive environments that lift us up instead of bringing us down. Places where we feel inspired by others who share similar aspirations. In these positive environments, we can focus on propelling ourselves forward towards our own personal successes without any distractions or negativity getting in the way. The second step for successful manifestation involves becoming aware of one's own vibrations and energy levels. Both physical means diet and exercise, as well as spiritual means thoughts and feelings. If these levels are low, it can lead to stagnation, preventing progress towards achieving manifestation goals. Conversely, if these levels are high, one has increased chances for success due to higher morale and enthusiasm. This leads to faster results with fewer obstacles along the journey. To ensure your vibration levels remain high throughout the day, there are a few things you should do. Practice gratitude regularly, incorporate affirmations into daily life routines, and meditate regularly for deeper insights into the inner workings of the mind, body, and spirit connection. These practices are needed for successful manifestations. Congratulations, dear friends! You have delved into the profound world of manifestation and discovered the key to unlocking successful outcomes. If you found this video enlightening and inspiring, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We value your thoughts, so please share them in the comment section below. May the divine power bless and guide you on your manifestation journey. May your dreams materialize before your eyes, and may abundance flow effortlessly into your life. Until we meet again in our next video, dear friends, keep manifesting and creating the life you truly deserve. God bless you.